Okay, my friends, time for impact bag drill number 3. How to feel a release for an iron and the release for a driver. We can actually learn timing by just hitting this small bag. And again, doing it differently will teach you much faster. We all know that we need to have some shaft lean forward. Shaft lean forward means that the club is leaning forward when we hit the ball. That will make the club go down. That's how we do it with an iron. Easy to do with this one. I just want my feeling to be shaft lean forward. I don't need to think about moving myself forward. I don't need to think about anything. I just need to feel it my hands. When I hit the bag, my hands is further forward than the club head. But what about the driver? Again, it's totally different. If this is iron, this is driver. Shaft lean backwards. You don't need much. 5 degrees up is probably around there. But hitting a driver with shaft lean forward will make you hit it a lot shorter. So let's do it again. Driver, iron. Feel the difference. This is also the same as hitting it high and low. Iron, driver, iron, driver, iron, driver. I'm using a 3 iron, pretty long club. I don't want to use the shortest one, even though I love my pitching wedge, but that would feel strange to do a driver release with a pitching wedge. But again, we all talk about how it should feel, and you ask me many times how I feel. The problem is my feelings will probably not work in your body. So you need to create your own feelings. And again, super simple drill to feel the difference between irons and driver. Just get something to hit.